Today I'm officially starting the $100 trading challenge. I want to drive home a point, and that is that anyone can succeed in trading even during this really heavy bear market that we are in right now. So I want to start a challenge. I'm starting with $100 and trading my way all the way up to big numbers once again. I'm going to show you guys step by step how I'm doing it, and we're going to use one of my favorite techniques. Oh well, we're going to do multiple techniques, but we're going to start with trend trading. It is pretty much the most safest way to do it without having big risk involved and losing our money to random pumps and random dumps and similar. So we're gonna do trend trading. I'm gonna show you guys my trades, what I'm starting off with, kind of my thought process, how I'm doing this. So we're gonna trade mostly on MEXC, BYBIT, then we're gonna use KuCoin, and we're gonna use Binance for that passive income with the money that we're making, because when we get to a specific point when our portfolio is growing, we're gonna take some of those assets and put it into passive generation. So right now we are looking at MEXC here. I put in a trade just a little while ago, and I wanted to talk about this trade because I first wanted to do this challenge by myself just to prove a point, but then I thought this would be the perfect YouTube series just to drive home the point that you can make it. You just need to put in the effort, put in the time, practice, and so on. And especially starting with $100 is absolutely perfect because, as we've talked about in previous videos, starting with a small amount of money is really important when you start to practice, when you don't want to FOMO, when you don't want to be too greedy, when you don't want to end up losing a bunch of money if you do a mistake. So we're starting off with $100. I am right now trend trading on MEXC, and we're actually trend trading on their own token, believe it or not. So what I'm doing is I'm looking at the graphs over here on TradingView, and I'm looking at the trend. I have the loss online right here, but you can use any trend tool. I just like this one because it's very clear, it's very direct. It's either gray, yellow, or blue, depending on what's going on. And of course, I'm drawing out some lines here just to predict what's gonna happen right here next. So what we're seeing right now here for the MX token is the support level. It's kind of up here because it had one bounce as well, but this time it went a little bit deeper. This also tunes in with this support level right here where it broke through, and it was a resistance level all the way back here. So this is a perfect point. But as we can see, we have a very sharp downtrend right here. So what we're looking to see is if it's gonna break through the downtrend and do either just sideways movement or break into an uptrend again, or if it's gonna break through the support level and continue its downtrend. Looking at the daily time frame, we can see that we have entered a official downtrend quite a while ago. Like, what are we looking at? 15 days ago. Looking at the 4-hour trend, we can see that it has not broken through on the 4-hour trend. Just in a few hours, maybe 12 hours or so, we're gonna look at another test and see if it can break through the downtrend. If it can do it, it does not guarantee an uptrend, so we're not gonna chicken out from the trade just yet. We're gonna wait for the official downtrend or break of the downtrend into a neutral trend on the daily time frame. Once that is confirmed, that is when we might sell and chicken out from the trade, but we're gonna be in profit anyways. Right now we're sitting at 25% profit. I put in like $30, so just 30% of the $100 that we start with, but with like 2x leverage, so $77. 25% gains, we're sitting at $20 gains. So we could cash out now, get our $20 and have some pretty good profits going forward. But since we are still in a confirmed downtrend, and important here, since Bitcoin is actually also in a confirmed downtrend, and we're seeing the downtrend is quite a bit longer. This is on the daily time frame. It was confirmed pretty much a month ago, the downtrend. So that's when you could have traded it. But as you can see, it has kind of just had sideways movements. You would not have made any money trading Bitcoin. It actually has to break through this support level before you can make any money shorting Bitcoin right now. So that's not something we will do at the moment, but we will have a look and see how this plays through. If it's gonna break through this downtrend, then we might see some upwards movement and we could actually long Bitcoin instead of shorting it. Right now it's sideways movement. It's bounced on the support level once. If we go back here just a little bit, we can see that this has been a resistance level before. It broke through, then it was a support level. It was another support level, and now it will either try to break through the downtrend or it will do another bounce. If it never reaches this top here on the downtrend, I actually believe it will fall through and break through the support level. And that is the perfect opportunity to short Bitcoin. If we see it not reach here, it could be the perfect opportunity to short Bitcoin. But you know what you can also do? You can have a little bit of leverage by shorting the altcoins instead. Bitcoin is looking a little bit weak. We can almost see another downtrend forming right here. So we could have a look at that one as well. It could be the newly formed downtrend after this little breakdown right here. So we need to keep track on Bitcoin. We need to keep track on the MEXC token. If this breaks through, we can do a really good long and ride it all the way up, make a lot of money. If we zoom out to the daily time frame, that is where I like to trade. We can see this really, really long uptrend. This is really good when you're trading. It went from below $1 all the way up to $3.5, meaning with 2x leverage, you had made a 7x just riding this all the way up here. Absolutely amazing, super clear and easy to trade downtrend. It even started quite a while back here. Just really, really easy to trade. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep on trading these easy coins here. On BYBIT, I'm gonna trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a few other coins, but I'm gonna do that when I see a really good, strong trend so I can make some easy trades. I'm also gonna start a Telegram community, something that I wanted to do for a while, but I wanted to do it the right way. I'm not wanted to do it to, talk about all of the random projects that launch. I want to do that kind of like on the YouTube channel. I'm of course going to mention them in the Telegram, but I believe the Telegram is going to be a little bit more on trading focus, because I believe that's where you can really rapid fire get out the content, the information, and kind of like what's going on and what I'm doing personally really fast in the Telegram group. So for example, if I wake up in the morning, I see a perfect trade, I can put it in the Telegram group instantly, because it would take some time for me to record a video, have it edited by my editor, and have it uploaded, published in one day. Then the trade might already be outdated and too late. So a Telegram group for trading gonna be really good. I'm gonna put it linked in the description, of course. Feel free to join it if you're interested in crypto and trading and all of that. I'm gonna keep you guys as updated as I can on this trading channel. Pretty much the process. I'm gonna make more videos like this, just updating as we go, trading and so on. Sometimes I won't have the possibilities because maybe I'm out traveling or similar. Then I will not be able to do the same type of update like this. That's why I have the Telegram group, so you can really join that. I'll also do some updates on Twitter, but the Telegram group is going to be more up to date. I'm going to keep you guys up to date with this trade here. Thank you guys for watching as always. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.